Hello and welcome everyone to the video in which I'm going to show you how you can connect your Git to your GitHub account. So before diving into the video, let me tell you the main difference between Git and GitHub. So basically, Git is software which you install on your machine and it tracks the changes of your code or particular files. And it helps you to go back to your previous changes, and whatever you do with the Git, it is going to be staying into your local machine. But if you want to make it remote, then the GitHub is the right choice for you because GitHub provides a service for your code hosting. And it is not only the service provider for hosting your code, there are other services as well like Bitbucket or GitLab. But in this course, I'm going to use GitHub. And if you learn how to use GitHub properly, then with the Git, then there will be no issue using other services for you. So yes, GitHub is a service provider. You can understand it as a storage for your code, so you can access it from anywhere. Yes, cloud storage, you can say that. And yes, that's all about the main difference, but we will learn more in upcoming videos and throughout the course. So let me start this by, and one more thing is that in this video, if you don't understand anything, it's completely okay. This is just a one-time process, an easy process to connect your Git to your GitHub account. We are not going to dive into SSH keys and all that stuff because that is going to be some complex topic. And if you are a beginner, then this will be the easiest method for you to just follow me for this video. And from the next video, I will explain all things to you. So you can easily understand that what was happening in this video. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to create a GitHub account if you don't have. So just go to github.com and sign up with your email and create an account. Once your account is created, you can go to GitHub and sign in into your browser. And first of all, there will be no repositories in your account, so it's completely fine. And once your account is created, then go to your file explorer and go to anywhere and just create a new folder, whatever name you want to give, just give it a name. You are giving the connection and just open that folder with the VS Code. So this is the blank folder. Create a one file called something sample.txt and just write something. This is simple file, nothing much more complex. Okay, so now what we will do is we will open the terminal and we will run these commands. Again, I'm saying that if you don't understand these commands, it's okay. We are going to understand and learn these commands and what these commands do in upcoming videos. So first of all, I will do git init add space dot, and then you have to do git commit hyphen m, and you can write here. Okay, so our work is done till here. So now what you have to do, you have to go to GitHub, create a new repository. You can also create a repository from going here, your profile, repositories, and you will find the same interface. You have to give any name. For right now, I'm just taking this name and leave all the things as it is. And once our name is given, I can create my repository. Okay, so name is verified, and now I can click on create repository and it will create a blank repository. So when you create a blank repository, you will find the similar interface. So what you have to do is you have to copy this and you have to go back to your Visual Studio Code and just paste that URL here. Okay, so what thing we need to do is we need to copy this and we need to yeah. Okay, so when you type this command git push hyphen new origin master, you will see this prompt and you have to select sign in with your browser, and I will click on that. It will open a new page in your browser and where you need to authorize create credential. So once you authorize this, then your repository will be your GitHub account will be linked to your Windows credentials. So whenever you want to communicate with your GitHub account, you can easily communicate. Okay, so now I can go back and you can see that my code is pushed and I can come back to this my repository and I can refresh this and I will see that the sample.txt file will be in my repository. Okay, so you can see that there is a one commit and my file is here. So our work is done here. We can delete this repository and our uh, GitHub is linked to our Windows machine. Okay, and if you are using Mac or Linux, I will attach document for you to how to connect your GitHub to your machine. So yes, this is for it. And before leaving the video, let me just show you how you can delete the repository. You can come here and you can click on delete this repository and copy this, paste it here and click on this. And once you click that, I understand the consequences and delete this repository. It will ask you for a password because it didn't ask me because I have recently deleted one repository. So there is a session for your password prompt. So it didn't ask me, but it will ask you. So just give your GitHub account password and your repository will be deleted. And you can also delete this folder as well. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next video.